Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Peace. Well, today we've come with a unique dish. These are chayotes. So it's what we are making today. Chayotes have two colors, the green one and this one. So this is what we have today. We'll start by washing them. So after washing them, you peel off the top skin. The top skin has these kind of thorn things, so they are the ones you peel off. So you go ahead and peel all of them like that. You make sure you remove all the thorns. The thorny parts, they are not really thorns, but they are just thorny parts. So after peeling it, you just get a grater and you start grating it like that. If you have no grater, you can still cut with a knife into small pieces, but it's better when you use a grater. You can see how it comes out. When you're grating, you leave out the middle part because it has a seed. So right now we are done. Let's go to the next step. In our saucepan, we start by adding cooking oil. Then we add our chayote. Then you cover. So right here we have our ingredients. There are carrots, grated tomatoes, grated onions and garlic. So I'll go ahead and pour them. We add some salt. You can see how it turns like cabbage. So right there we have our royco and curry powder. So we mix our royco in water. We don't always just add it, because if you add it like that, it makes chunks. Then we add in our sauce. There you go, our chayote is done. So this sauce is very easy to make, just like you've seen. It doesn't really require a lot of work. In just a few minutes and you're done. Right there, you're good to go. You can eat it with any food you want. This sauce is good for anyone, whether you are vegan or a vegetarian. It's really good because we've not added any meat products, so it's good for anyone. Right now we are at that very moment that everyone likes most, serving time. So our food is ready. It's already dinner time, so let's go ahead and serve. Well, my food is here. It's eating time. You better try this thing. If you've never had chayotes before, just try them any color. They taste the same, even if they have different colors. It's delicious and healthy. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment, like this video, share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.